Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valkyrie in Apex Legends. Valkyrie's kit is all about aerial dominance and strategic movement. Her passive, VTOL Jets, lets you fly for short bursts, perfect for gaining high ground or escaping danger. Her tactical, Missile Swarm, unleashes a barrage of mini-rockets that damage and stun enemies. Finally, her ultimate, Skyward Dive, allows you and your squad to redeploy across the map quickly. Mastering Valkyrie's passive and tactical is key to controlling the battlefield. Use your VTOL Jets to quickly reach advantageous positions, giving you a clear view of the fight. While flying, you automatically scan enemies below, marking them for your squad. Her Missile Swarm is excellent for dislodging enemies from cover or creating space during a push. Remember to aim for direct hits to maximize stun duration and damage. Valkyrie's ultimate, Skyward Dive, is a powerful tool for repositioning your entire team. It's perfect for escaping a closing ring or quickly rotating to a new point of interest. Always communicate with your teammates before launching to ensure everyone is ready to go. A well-timed Skyward Dive can turn the tide of a fight by catching enemies off guard or securing a better strategic position. For advanced Valkyrie play, learn to seamlessly combine your abilities. Use your jetpack to gain height, then unleash a missile swarm from above for maximum impact. Practice flying evasively to make yourself a difficult target during engagements. Remember, your ultimate can also be used offensively to drop onto unsuspecting teams. For more great content and deals, like the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.